in the sleepy town of Devapura, lived a chubby orange cat named Tinku. Tinku was no ordinary cat. He didn't hunt mice. He didn't chase butterflies. He had one passion: fish. Fried fish, steamed fish, dry fish, even the smell of fish would wake him from the deepest sleep. Every morning, Tinku sat near the kitchen door, sniffing and waiting for one person. Grandma's name is Lakshmi and her famous fish curry. But one fine day, disaster struck. The pot was boiling, the curry was fragrant, but when Grandma opened the lid to check, the fish was gone. Tinku sat there blinking, licking his paw. "Tinku, did you eat it again?" Mew, innocent face. Everyone blamed poor Tinku. But this time, he was not guilty. He hadn't touched the fish. He didn't even get close. Now his pride was hurt. Determined to prove his innocence, Tinku became a detective. He followed the smell of turmeric and fish oil across the courtyard, past the tulasi plant, into the back of the garden. There he saw it. Footprints, chicken footprints. Grandpa's hens had gotten into the kitchen and stolen the fish. One hen still had a fish tail stuck on her beak. "Busted!" Tinku meowed loudly and chased them back to the coop. The family watched in shock as the chickens scattered, and Tinku brought the evidence: a dropped piece of fish. Grandma smiled, picked up Tinku, and said, "Sorry, Kana. Looks like today you saved the lunch." Tinku was given a small bowl of fresh fish, not curry, of course, just how he liked it. He purred happily and went back to sleep under the window, tail flicking. Don't blame someone just because it's easy. Sometimes the quietest ones are the real heroes.